In this video, I'm going to show you how to get 50 gigabytes of data from MTN free of charge.
Wow.
So if you are also using other network, I'm also going to show you how to also get your free data from your network. So make sure you watch this video to the end. So if you like to get 50 gigabytes data from MTN, make sure you type in the comment section 50 gigabytes of data. So before we dive in, if you are seeing my video for the first time, make sure you subscribe to this channel so that anytime I drop videos like this, you'll be the first person to get the notification. And also make sure that you like and share this video so that others will see this video. To claim your 50 gigabytes of your MTN data, so the first thing you need to do is go to your Google Play Store, then you type My MTN App. So type My MTN App. So it's going to show on this app on your screen. Then you click, then you install it on your phone. So I've already installed mine on my phone, so I'm going to click on Open. So it's going to bring it to this interface. So you click on Get Started. So you sign in with your Google account. So you choose an email that you use to sign up. Then click on Continue. So you click on Agree. Then Continue. And click on Continue again. Alright, so I'll fully sign into my my account. So the next thing I will do is I will click on More to log out of this account. So I'll click on Log Out. Yes. So the next thing you need to log in back again, but this time you are going to log in with your phone number, not your Google account again. So you click on Continue with your number. So you are going to write your MTN number. Then click on Continue. So they will send you an OTP. So you input the OTP. Then you click on Continue. I agreed. Then you click on Continue. Then you click on I will do that later. So you click on Next. Click on Next again. So you can see congratulations, you have been offered 50 gigabyte data for downloading My MTN app. Click to activate to claim your offer now. So you click to activate so that you can claim the offer now. So you can now enjoy your 50 gigabytes data, which expires by 11:59 p.m. today. So this is how to get your 50 gigabytes free data from MTN. So if you got value from this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel so that anytime I drop videos like this, you'll be the first person to get the notification. And also type in the comment section. If you do this, if it work for you, drop a comment in the comment section. I'll make sure that you like this video and share this video so that others will see this video. Now if you are not an MTN user, I've also done a video on how you can also get 75 gigabytes. So you can check this video that is showing on your screen to watch that, how you can get your 75 gigabyte data.